What's up guys, and welcome to Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to get Soundmojis on Facebook Messenger. Now, Facebook has added Soundmojis into their Messenger app, and Soundmojis are basically emojis with sound. These are emojis that can make sound. We've always known emojis to be these visual things that you can use in a chat, but now they have sound and they can make sounds, and that's why Facebook is calling them Soundmojis. So to get Soundmojis on Messenger, the first thing you need to do is make sure you update Messenger to the latest version. So if you're using Android, go to the Android Play Store. If you're using iOS, then of course go to the iOS App Store and search for Messenger. And then make sure it's up to date. You can see mine needs an update, so I'm gonna update that. After the update, open Messenger, and then you can go into any chat and then tap on the emoji icon, which is this smiley right here in the text box. So tap on that, and then you should see your normal icons for stickers and GIFs, and then you should see a new sound icon on the right. So that's what you want to tap on, and that will bring Soundmojis. So these are all the Soundmojis that are there, and if you want to hear what they sound like, simply tap on that Soundmoji. Yeah, just like that. And you can tap on any Soundmoji. Or this one. Congratulations. Even this one. Thank you. So you can go ahead and play around with any of these Soundmojis, and if you find one you like and you want to send, simply tap on send just below it and it's going to be sent. Now the recipient of that message will just open the message and the Soundmoji is going to make the sound. And that's how to get and use Soundmojis on Facebook Messenger. Now I'm going to leave another YouTube Shorts video just basically showing you what all these Soundmojis sound like, and so make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for that. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.